Hello YouTube, now we're going to be fixing a limited edition Animal Crossing 3DS LL from Japan, and today we're going to be fixing the circle pad. As you can see, it's been broken off. Now disclaimer, any damage done to your 3DS, I'm not responsible, so take it at your own risk. Now what you want to do is first unscrew the back. Get that off first. Set that aside. Take out the battery, set that aside. And now take a tweezer, carefully trying to take this out without damaging it. One. There's two. Now remove the 6 screws.
Yeah, let's hold it. This is open stuff. See my hand?
not want to come out.
You can see that's how small it is. That's what he's working with. All right. Open stuff coming in for surgery.
All right, nurse Ivan. One, two. Oh, try this one. Oh. There we go. Oh,
Easy.
there we go.
Okay.
All right, guys.
After he finished.
After some
Technical difficulties.
after some manly persuasion, Open Stuff team has gotten it.
All right, now next you want to do the top one.
Hey, show the top one real quick.
Right
There
there.
it is.
Make sure they don't lose that. Now,
Tip of the day: get one of these catch trays.
now, when you take the back plate off, you really want to be careful because you don't want to. The shoulder buttons are connected by ribbon cable and they're very thin. So you want to do that.
Show the ribbon
And take-
cables. Oh, yep, that's it.
Very thin and connected to the PCB board.
Oh my god.
It's going now.
Carefully disconnect.
Sorry guys, we ran out of memory real quick, so this video might be a little bit edited, but Mr. Beto here will take you through a tour inside 3DS LL Japan Edition Animal Crossing.
Well, this is your analog stick, which is also connected to a very thin ribbon cable, which you be careful. Do not rip it when we get to that part. This is the game card reader and slot, and then this is your network chip, and this is your AC, and then you have your headphone jack, which these two are soldered onto the PCB board. Then you have your SD card slot right here, and then your microphone, and of course we have the battery. Now what you want to do next is unscrew these two screws from the analog stick.
Let me show the two screws real quick.
I don't remember which one. Then carefully take it out. Now the door, now you open it very carefully from the ribbon cable. Put your finger right there, open that up, and then remove it. Now take off the broken piece. There you go. That there. Set that aside. Now take out the divider. Set that aside. Now here comes the tricky part, inserting the new cap. So what you want to do is put the open part, do that, and there you go. Maybe it's not as tricky as I thought, but anyway.
That's a custom trick, guys. Custom.
And then there you have it. It's just it goes right here.
Other one is here.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Those are the bumpers on the bottom.
Yep. Now putting it back together. Oh yeah.
Putting it back together is in the reverse, guys.
You gotta do tweezers doesn't have good grip.
Oh.
There we go.
Oh.
All right. Now putting the, actually that can go right there. Putting the analog stick carefully.
Right now he's trying to attach the ribbon through the door, right?
Yep. Very small, so gotta be very careful. This tweezer's not very good. There we go. Close it back up.
That's right, man. He's like a mechanic for a little machine.
And back in. Oh shit, came back out.
Alright guys, make sure it's secure.
Yeah.
You don't want to open back up.
There, make sure you hear that little click when you close it back up very carefully. Now, secure it. And there you go. Now we screw it back in.
Here's the piece he's replacing. You can see how it chipped off on the end there.
Then connect the shoulder buttons back to the PCB board.
These are so tiny.
Go. This one should be easier. Interesting fact, these little pieces of here are actually made of solid gold.
So don't lose your 3DS. Don't sell it. It's actually worth something.
Now, carefully put that back. Okay, make sure.
No, try it first and make sure the joystick
Wouldn't-
works.
Oh, yeah.
Put the battery, there you go. And then put the battery and make sure things works. Before you toss it.
Alright guys, test run. Custom analog C-stick. Or not C-stick, analog circle pad. There it is.
There you go.
Ooh.
Just like brand new. Well, technically it is brand new.
So, put it back in reverse.
Oop. Then screw these back in. Back the feet. Go.
The memory card you gotta take out. Yeah.
Oh, I see why. Go. And there you have it.
This is now a limited edition, one-of-a-kind Animal Crossing 3DS LL from Japan. And that's the part we replaced, the part that broke off. It was originally gray, and now it's pink, guys. Hopefully that informed you. Maybe you guys learned a little something today. Alright, open stuff, and Beto out.